Captain Wooba here with HobbyCaptain.com. At HobbyCaptain.com, you will find the world's largest selection of free paper airplane patterns. And in this clip, we're going to be taking a look at a paper airplane inspired by the world's first supersonic passenger aircraft, the Tupolev TU-144. It had an interesting feature. At the nose of the plane, it had winglets that they called canards. Well, although the real TU-144 was incredibly fast, this is really actually a slow, stable flight. Well, let me show you how to fold this one. If you're unfamiliar with the paper airplane patterns from HobbyCaptain.com, I would recommend that you go to the Getting Started page and follow along with the instructions found there. Now, to take a quick look at this paper airplane pattern. So first you're going to notice that this is symmetric, and in all of the other cases, at least that I currently have, the side would go 3-3, and in this case it goes 3-7, and that's because I found and think that it's easier to finish all of one side before going to the other. So 13 steps total, and to walk through those steps, step 1 will be a crease, step 2 will be a reverse crease, step 3 will be a fold, step 5 will be another fold. Then we'll go over to the other side and we'll do the reverse crease of 6, then we'll do the fold of 7, finish the reverse crease with 8, and then fold along line 9. Then 10 will finish the crease formed on 1, and step 11 will form the wings. Step 12 will pull out a scissors and go cut right along the line right there. I'll do that on both sides. And then step 13 will fold small vertical stabilizers. Okay, so step 1, I'm going to fold this in half right along that line. And this being a crease, what that means is that the line is on the outside of the fold, and that once we folded it, at least on this step, we will unfold it. Okay, so now we are to 2, and 2 is a reverse crease, which means it goes this way. But in this case, I think it's going to be easier. Let's do it like this. So we'll fold it so that the line is on the outside first. And that's actually the wrong direction, but it makes it easier here. So fold it that way, and now this is the direction it actually should be folded. Okay, and since it's a reverse crease, we're going to unfold it. Now to step 3. It's just a fold along line 3 here. Okay, and then 4 will be the reverse fold. So there's 4. That's what that looks like. And then 5 will be a fold along line 5. Okay, so now we are on to the opposite side, and we're going to start with the reverse crease of line 6. So what I'm going to do here is the same thing as I did on the other side. So I'm going to fold it with the line on the outside first, and then I'm going to reverse it. There's 6, and then on to 7. Okay, there's 7, and then 8, which finishes the crease of 6. Now we're on to step 9. And step 10, and that step 10 was just to finish the crease formed on 1. Step 11, we're going to make the wings. And I'm going to use use my straight edge here to help me out. And on this side, I'm just going to try to line them up as best as I can. So make the paper airplane nice and symmetric. Now step 12, I'm going to try to do is cut right here along this line and on this line. And for the other side here. And the last step here will be 13 to fold up some vertical stabilizers here. And finally, as you see the words paperclip here, I'll take and put a paperclip on the nose. I like to put it pretty high up on this nose, but you can also put it this direction. You could play around with exactly where you want to put that paper clip, but without the paper clip, this doesn't really fly much at all. So there is the paper airplane. Let me know what you think. Please leave a comment and a like. Really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you very much.